Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A few months ago, I shared a Butterscotch Tub Cake reel that crossed 960k plus views in Instagram, and I received so many comments from you all. What is the name of the cake? What is the cup size? What cream did you use? What is that liquid? Is that a caramel sauce? Please share the recipe. What is the price of the cake? So, first of all, I'm really sorry for the delay, but finally it's here. In today's video, I'm gonna share the complete recipe of the viral cake, and I'll also clear all your doubts, cup size, syrup, everything. If you're planning to start a small home business, this recipe will really help you. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share the pricing and cost details in the end of the video. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So first we are going to prepare a half kg soft sponge cake. Take a strainer and add half a cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. Now sieve this 2 to 3 times. This step is very important to make the cake soft and fluffy. Mix all the dry ingredients using a whisk. Keep this aside. Now in another bowl, crack 2 eggs. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and start beating it. While beating, add half a cup of powdered sugar, little by little. Beat until it becomes light, fluffy and pale in color like this. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil and gently mix. Don't overbeat after adding the oil. Next add 2 to 3 drops of butterscotch essence and mix it gently. Now we will combine the dry and wet ingredients. Add the dry ingredients in 3 batches. First batch goes in. Fold it gently using a spatula. Then add 1 tablespoon of warm milk. Fold it gently. Add the second batch of dry ingredients. Add 1 more tablespoon of warm milk. So totally we have used 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Final batch of dry ingredients. Fold it gently, don't overmix. Make sure all the ingredients are combined. Now pour the batter into a tray lined with butter paper. Tap it gently to remove any air bubbles. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the butterscotch sauce. Take half cup of sugar in a pan and let it caramelize. Do not overmix it continuously or it may crystallize. Just stir it occasionally once it starts melting. Once the sugar is fully caramelized, Add 2 tablespoons of butter and mix well. Then add half cup of whipping cream and mix continuously. Let it cook for a few minutes until smooth and creamy. Now your butterscotch sauce is ready. Next we'll prepare the crunchy butterscotch praline. Take half cup of peanut and roast them in a pan. Once roast, take them out and remove the skin completely. Now in a pan, add half a cup of sugar and let it caramelize. Do not touch it at the beginning, just wait. Once it starts melting, stir gently. When it turns golden brown, add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix it. Immediately add the roasted peanuts and mix everything quickly. Switch off the flame and pour this mixture onto a plate greased with butter. Spread it quickly and let it cool. Once set, break it into pieces. I'm going to put them into the Ziploc bag and crush them using a rolling pin. Now your butterscotch praline is ready. By now our cake will be ready. Take it out and let it cool completely. Then demold it. Cut it into layers. I have used a large tin, so I am cutting into 2 layers. Now prepare the sugar syrup. Take 1/4 cup of sugar and half cup of water. Mix until the sugar completely dissolves. Now the sugar syrup is ready. For the cream, half cup of whipping cream plus little more extra cream and add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Beat it until it becomes soft and fluffy with light peaks. Now the whipping cream is ready. Now cut the cake into small circles according to your tub size. Many of you asked about the container size. I'm using a 100 ml tub. Now let's assemble it. So I'm placing the first layer into the tub. Soak with sugar syrup. Add the whipping cream using a piping bag. And pour some butterscotch sauce. Add the butterscotch praline. Repeat the same layer again. So here's the butterscotch tub cake recipe. This recipe is very helpful if you want to start a small business. Many of you asked about the price. For a 100 ml tub, I sell it around 40 to 45 rupees. This may vary depending on your location. In cities, you can price it higher, and in smaller places, you can slightly lower it. The price of this cake depends on your tub size. First, calculate the ingredients cost and then add the packaging charges and traveling expenses. After calculating everything, you can fix your selling price according to your profit. So, don't copy others' pricing directly. Always calculate your own cost and then decide the rate. I hope I have cleared all your doubts. This cake is really delicious and your customers will definitely love it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.